So can a thread return values? This is very much interesting, okay? Because many of the times what will happen is we use threads always, but do we know whether thread can return any values? Maybe we'll try to understand this with an example. So the question is, can a thread return some value? This is an interesting question, okay? So normally what will happen is we have used threads in multiple places, but returning a value, right? That's not a very regular use case. Let's say here, right? If I implement, so you can see the signature is void. So which means this can't return anything. So I can't add any return statement here. So then how to return something from the thread? That's an interesting question. So in order to return something from thread, right, what we have to do is we have to use callable. So let's see that example. So here we can see we have a callable. Uh, Callable has, so here I'm making it as integer because I'm passing it here. Basically, by default, callable returns an object. So you can specify what kind of object return. So I'm specifying integer here. So this is my declaration. I'm returning it. So I'm using an executor service and I'm submitting my callable here. And when I do future.get, it returns the result and I'm printing it here. So I'll just run and show the result to you. So you can see it is returning one. So what it means is callable, if you use, you can return something from thread. This is an interesting one. Let's say I want to throw something here, throw some exception. So this is also possible. Okay. But let's say in case of runnable, let's say if I do throws exception, it will get an error. So you can see a run basically clashes. It does not throw anything. Okay. But callable can throw an exception also, which can be caught in the caller and we can take some action. I hope you got it. So if you want to return something from the thread, it should be like you have to use callable and with the corresponding return type in the callable declaration here so that you can use that as a return type. I hope it's clear for you. So we got the answer. Yes, it is possible with callable and future combination instead of runnable.